You got it, it ain't no question. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is just Araba. Oh my god, I haven't done like a sit down video with me actually talking in a cool minute. Hold on, let me fix my lighting real quick. So today I am going to be attempting to do the UK black girl makeup tutorial. If you haven't been seeing that all over social media, then you definitely live under a rock. I do have a TikTok account, so if you want to follow me on TikTok, my TikTok is just Araba, I believe. Let me just make sure. My TikTok is it's just Araba, the same as my Instagram and stuff like that. So if you want to follow me on my socials, you can. But on TikTok, there has been a trend going on for a minute where basically, if you don't know, UK girls are two-paying their makeup. Chef's kiss. So today I just was like, I want to try the trend and try to do, you know, my makeup a bit differently. I kind of attempted it and it actually came out cute the other day, but I'm gonna sit y'all down and do step by step on how they do their makeup. I do have somebody on TikTok that she showed the whole steps, so I'm gonna try to follow along with her, and I'll probably put up the video I'm watching on TikTok up on the screen. But we're gonna get into it. I think before we actually get started, I am gonna do just a little like fall eyeshadow makeup tutorial, just like a smoky eye-ish kind of thing, because I don't think she really goes into eyeshadow, and I just want to have an eyeshadow look. So that's what we're gonna get started with before we actually go into the video. So now we are done with my mini eye thing. I literally just used two eyeshadows, technically just one. What I used was the NYX makeup, I believe, eyeshadow base, and the color black is really good for like a smoky eye because it blends in really well. And then I went ahead and used the Juvia's Place a Freak palette in the shade Cameroon, which is a really nice black brown. But we are now going to actually get into the whole point of this video, which is trying to do this UK girls makeup, and I'm kind of scared, but we gonna do what it do. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to try according to this girl is, wait, can you guys hear me? Oh my god. So this was the moment I realized that y'all couldn't hear me at all. So what I just went ahead to do is just a voiceover. So mind me talking throughout this video. I forgot to turn my mic on, but let's proceed with this video.
So that's why I use this before I do my makeup, because it's really good. So you want to put this much. Yeah. Now I feel great.
So the first thing she went in with was a primer. I used the Milk Hydro Grip primer. I'm going to list everything that I used in this video down below. Just a heads up, I did not use all the products, the exact same products that she used, but I used what I had and it actually worked out perfectly. So just stay tuned and watch till the end. The next thing that she went in after using a primer was a concealer.
So we're going to do this to the other eye on camera. You just want to put it here and then here. Yes. Then you want Just want to go in on your chin and on your cupid's bow and a bit on your nose. So you want to look like this. And this concealer is the Too Faced in shade Warm Sand. You guys, you want to put this much on your eye, just here, and I explain why I do this.
So for this part, she just basically went in with another concealer that was closer to her skin tone. So a step that I have incorporated in my routine is using a lipstick in this shade. I will have it down below just to use it as a blush underneath my foundation, and it really helps a lot, especially with my skin tone. But I believe this is also a hack on TikTok that I found. I just wanted to incorporate it because the girl in the video, she didn't do the step. I just wanted to add to it.
Brush this much. I don't just put it all over my face. Oh my god. So you want to apply the foundation in here. Basically you want to apply the foundation like it's basically a contour, and around your forehead. I don't put that much product on my in circular motion because then you just get a nice base. I'll be back.
So the foundation that I'm using today is my first time actually trying it, and I really actually love it. It's the Huda Beauty foundation. I don't remember what shade I am, but it will be down below. And it was really good. It was a really good foundation. It had really good coverage. So I tried this makeup again the next day after I filmed this, and I wore the foundation all day, and it was so good. Oh my gosh, so good. So next she went ahead to blend her concealer, and she used this tapered brush that I also have in my hand. You can find these brushes on Amazon.
You want to start blending, and obviously people ask how I get a sharp line, and I basically just, you know, keep, I don't know how to explain, but you can see of how I'm doing it.
So she did contour in the video, and I just did not need to show that, but I'm also going to contour. She, I believe, used a foundation 2 shades darker, or a foundation darker than her skin tone. I have a foundation concealer stick from Morphe, and I just went ahead and contoured my face. I normally don't contour my nose, but because your girl got a flat nose, but we were following instructions. And so this step was a bit interesting. She did go ahead and use a beauty blender use a loose setting powder. I used the I used the Laura Mercier setting powder in the color Honey translucent, and she went ahead and added as much as you see on my face. I was really scared with this process because I looked crazy, but you really gotta trust the process. Bronzer, I went in with Morphe, and I just bronzed my cheeks. I kind of went a bit too low, but that's okay.
So you want to put on your brush and just like dab it in a bit. Obviously it's very harsh, so you want to actually take your time. Basically 1 shade lighter powder to my skin, if that makes sense. So this powder is basically 1 shade lighter than me. So
for this step, I'm trying this new foundation or powder foundation from One Size Beauty, and I actually really love it.
I'm gonna grab all that product you have and then start blending away your powder.
Are y'all not blown away by what y'all seeing? I know y'all seeing what I am seeing, because what kind of magician trick is this? Like, y'all see that, right? That is crazy. I was shook. Wow, okay. English is not my first language. I was just shook. So I went back into that palette I used on my eyeshadow, on my eyes, and I used it as a blush. So for setting spray, she used, I believe, a NYX setting spray. I had Morphe, and this was the end of the tutorial. And I'm just going to show y'all what I looked like after I put on my lips. And I know y'all see this face. Come on. It's giving. It's given. The UK girls know what the hell they doing. They do, most of them. But if you really enjoyed this video and you want to see more makeup tutorials, you want me to try anything, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.
You got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. So I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh.